Hello everyone, my name is Robert Feely and today I'm going to be unboxing a LOL Surprise Confetti Pop. This is Series 3, brand new series, and it is a confetti pop doll. Now this one is special because it has 9 surprises. So let's check out what this brand new doll looks like right now. To get through the first layer, we need to pull this zipper down and get to the next layer. So there's the first layer. Oh, what's this? Secret code, cherry bomb. Okay, here's the next zipper. We're going to unzip it. Didn't really unzip as good. But what's this? This is what it can do. Whatever the doll can do. Now to get to the ball layer, we're gonna open the last one and see what this is. A little ring tattoo. A little ring tattoo. Okay, now this tells you everything you need to do. Start here. So we'll take this off and we'll open these little tabs. And let's see what's in it. Okay. The first prize is, it looks like boots. White boots. This must be the zipper for when we come back. We pull down and it pops open. So we will come back to that and open it later. Okay, and let's see what this one is. It's a container of milk. And it looks like someone is missing. Have you seen Meow? Get rid of this garbage. What's this prize? Sunglasses. Now this is the last one. It's tough to get out. And let's see what it is. It's a cute little summer outfit. So now we come back to the string and we pull down on it. Yay! Pink confetti everywhere. And here is the doll. My gosh, it's so big. And here she is. So now I have a thing of water. Let's fill her up with water and see what she does. Looks like she spits. She spits water out. Thank you for unboxing this with me, and I hope you enjoyed it.